Tired of your Instagram stories looking like they were filmed on a potato? Let's ditch the blurry mess and get you posting high-quality stories that pop. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Head over to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open up the settings menu. From this menu, scroll down until you see Account and tap on it. Inside the account settings, you will find data usage. Tap on it. Here's the magic switch. Make sure the high-quality uploads toggle is turned on. This tells Instagram to use more data when uploading your stories, resulting in a clearer, sharper image. Now, this is crucial. Don't use the Instagram camera directly. Instead, record your videos and take your photos using your phone's native camera app. Your phone's camera is almost always going to produce a higher quality image and video than the in-app Instagram camera. After you've taken your photo or video, open the Instagram app, create a new story and upload it directly from your phone's camera roll. See the difference? By following these simple steps, you'll be posting Instagram stories that look professional and grab everyone's attention. Don't forget to subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out.